Welcome back, friends. Previously in chapter number 8, comparing quantity, we learned example about the increase or decrease, how to find the percentage, how to find the ratio. Now we will cover the new topic, that is price related to buying or selling. Okay, buying or selling means if we went to the market and we purchase some item, so that is called our buying price. And if we sell that item to another person, for example, you buy a pen from the market in 10 rupees, and after getting that, you sell that pen to your friend in 12 rupees. So that is what buying price is 10 rupees and selling price is 12 rupees. Clear? For shopkeeper also get a things or item from the vendor. So whatever price shopkeeper pays to vendor, that is his cost price, and whatever price he get from customer, so that become his selling price. Okay, you can consider the simple example that if you get a book or pen for 10 rupees and you sell it to your friend in 12 rupees, then 10 rupees that your buying price and 12 rupees is your selling price. Okay, you can place a customer instead of yourself. So here we need to understand some terms too for that buying and selling. So cost price, that is our first term, cost price, or you can say it is C. Cost price is the price you pay to buy and okay, so that is called the cost price. Instead of you, it is also the price shopkeeper pays to vendor. Now selling price. Selling price means the price in which item was sold. It is also called SP. For example, you buy a pen for rupees 10 and sell to your friend in rupees 12. So here cost price that you pay to the shopkeeper, that is 10 rupees, that is your buying price, and after selling that pen to your friend, your selling price is 12 rupees. Clear? Now profit or loss. For example, you buy it in 10 rupees and sell it for 12 rupees, then you get 2 rupees more, so that is become a profit. So whenever selling price is more than cost price, when selling price is more than cost price, that gives a profit. So profit means, so first term we learn about the cost price, then selling price, after that profit. Profit means if selling price is greater than cost price, then it is profit. Now how can we find the how much profit we have? Selling price is 12 rupees, cost price is 10 rupees. So how much profit you get? You get the profit of 2 rupees. You get 2 rupees more. So profit equation will be, you need to remember equation for a profit, that is SP minus CP. So for this example, 12 minus 10, that is 2 rupees. 2 rupees will be our profit. Clear? From this equation, profit is equal to SP minus CP. We can find the SP also. SP is equal to profit, take CP on left side, that became plus CP. So selling price is profit plus CP, and we can find the CP also by taking CP on this side and SP on this side. So SP minus profit. Okay, so you need to first remember this equation. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Now if you get pen in 10 rupees and sell it for rupees 8. If you buy a pen for 10 rupees and sell it for 8 rupees, then it becomes a loss because you get 2 rupees less than your buying price. So that is called the loss. So next term is loss if, what is cost price here? 10 rupees. Selling price is 8 rupees. Means if selling price is less than cost price, it is loss. And how can we find the loss? So loss is equal to CP minus SP. So in previous example, your cost price is 10 rupees and selling price is 8 rupees. It means loss is of 2 rupees. Okay. So this way we can find the amount that is for a profit and for a loss. Clear? When SP is greater than CP, then it is a profit, and when SP is less than CP, that is a loss. By profit or loss is always dependent on a cost price. So you can write, you need to remember the statement that profit or loss is calculated on cost price. Whatever price you pay to buy an item, that will be your cost price, and profit or loss depending on a cost price. If you buy a book for 100 rupees and if you want to have a profit, then you need to get more selling price. If you buy a book for 100 rupees and if you want to, for example, our book price, that is CP, is rupees 100. And for a profit, you need to have a selling price more than 100. So if SP is 125, then it is a profit of 25. And if you have a loss, if you sell it in a 75 rupees, if SP is 75 rupees, then you have a loss of rupees 20. It means profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. Now this is about the rupees profit or rupees loss. How can we find the percentage profit or percentage loss? So we need to remember two equations to find the percentage profit. So that is percentage profit is equal to profit divide CP into 100, because profit and loss is always calculated on CP, and percentage loss is equal to loss divide CP into. Now let's find the profit for these two example percentage. So profit is 25 rupees. Our cost price is 100. Multiply 100. 0, 0 cancel. So 25% profit. So this is profit percentage. So you need to remember this equation also for a profit. Now for loss, percentage loss for this example. That is, loss is 25 rupees, cost price is 100, multiply 100, 0, 0 cancel is 25. So this is the equation for a loss percentage. So you need to remember four equations. Profit is equal to profit rupees. Profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is our first equation, and percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100. Next, for loss, loss is equal to CP minus SP, and percentage loss is equal to loss divided CP into 100. Let's solve some example related to profit or loss. So first example, that is example 18 given in your textbook. The cost of flower vase is rupees 120. Cost of flower vase is rupees 120. Means cost price is given. So whatever information is given, first make a list for them. So cost price is given, that is 120 rupees. If the shopkeeper sells it at the loss percentage loss. Here percentage is given, so we can write 10%. Find the price at which it sold. So two information is given. Cost price is given 120. Loss percentage is given 10%. So here we can start. Percentage loss is equal to loss divide CP into 100. We can use direct equation whenever the cost price is given, because profit and loss is calculated at cost price. So if cost price is given, then we can directly use the equation to find the loss in a rupees. The percentage represent only percentage, not number of rupees. 10% means it is out of 100. So we need to find out of 120. Clear? So here loss percentage is 10. So we can find loss rupees. CP is 120 multiply 100. Now we need to find loss. 1 0 cancel here. So loss is equal to 12 in the multiply, 10 in the divide. 12 that is in a divide become multiplication with 10, and 10 that is in a multiplication become division to find the loss. So 12 rupees loss. On 120, if we have a 12 rupees loss, then what will be our cost selling price? That is CP minus loss. Our cost price is 120, loss is 12 rupees, so it is 108. So selling price of fast is 108. You can solve this example by different method, that is, if CP is 100, loss is 10, and if CP is 120, what is the loss? Now cross multiplication. Because percentage represent it is out of 100. 10% is what? It is from 100. But we need to find the loss from 120. So 10 multiply 120 divide 100. So 2 0 cancel, so it is 12. So you can use direct equation or you can use a cross multiply method. Both will give the same answer. After 12, you can find the SP by subtracting 12 from the cost price. Now next one, selling price of toy car is rupees 540. So what is given? Selling price. Now read the statement properly. The selling price is given. It means SP is given. So we can write SP is equal to rupees 540. If the profit made by shopkeeper is 20%, so profit is 20%, so we can write percentage profit is equal to 20%, and we need to find what is the cost price. CP is clear. So here CP is not given, means we cannot use the equation directly. So we need to use the cross multiply method. So when CP is 100, we can start with the CP 100, because you need to remember that profit or loss always calculated from CP. Profit or loss always calculated on CP, and percentage is calculated on 100. So 20% means it is out of 100. So our CP is 100, then profit will be what? 20 rupees. This is what? 20 by 100. So when it is 100, it is 20. So from CP 20, profit is 20 rupees. So we can write SP is 540 when. So what is the SP for 100 rupees? That is 100 plus 20 is 100. If CP is 100, 20 rupees for profit. CP is 100, profit is 20 rupees, and selling price is 120 rupees. Now we have two equations, two values for selling price, that is 120 when 100. So SP is 120 when CP is 100. Our SP is 120 when our CP is 100, but our selling price is what? 540. So what is the cost price? Now cross multiply. So 540 multiply 100 divide 120. So 0 0 cancel. Divide 12. 450 rupees, that is the cost price. Cost price is 450 when 20% profit is there. Now we can use this example, we can solve this example by using equation also. So here we need to remember that percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100. Okay, that is the equation. Also we have profit is equal to SP minus CP. So what is the cost price? What is the selling price? That is, take cost price on right side. So profit plus cost price. Clear? Now here we can find the profit from this equation. Profit percentage multiply CP divide 100. We can solve this example using different methods. So here profit is equal to what? 20% of CP. What is the profit? It is 20% of CP. So 20% means 20 by 100 of multiply and CP. Okay. So it is 1 by 5 of CP. 2500, so it is 1 by 5. Now we have also one equation, that is profit is equal to SP minus CP. So from this equation we get SP is equal to profit plus CP. Take this cost price on right side, left side, so that is profit plus CP. Now profit is what? We get the profit 1 by 5 CP, so we can write 1 by 5 CP here. And cost price is already there. Profit is 1 by CP from the previous equation. So now here take CP common. So we have 1 by 5 plus 1 CP. Selling price, that is given 540. So 540 is equal to 6 by 5. 5 is 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. Now we need to find the CP, so take 5 in a multiplication and 6 in a division. That is our cost. So cost price will be 450 if you solve this equation. So you can use this method also to find the cost price, or you can directly use the cross multiply method. I know that this method is easy, so it is better whenever the cost price is not given, you need to use a cross multiplication method, and if the cost price is given, then you can directly use the equation. Now let's take some example that is given in your textbook in Friday session, that is on page number 169. So here first, a shopkeeper bought a chair for rupees 375 and sold it for 400. Find the gain percentage. So here you can see the cost price. The shopkeeper buy it in a 375 and sold it for 400. It means which information is given? Cost price is 375. Selling price is 400 rupees. So now we can find the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 400, cost price is 375, that is 25 rupees profit. Clear? Now we need to find the gain percent. Gain percent means it is a profit percentage. So we have an equation, percentage profit is equal to profit divide CP multiply 100. Now profit, that is 25. Our cost price is 375 multiply 100. Now find out the factor for 375. So factors of 375 is 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 3. Factor of 25 is 5 5s and 9. So So here we can cancel this 2, 5. This is 20. So it is 20 by 3. So 20 by 3 percentage, you can convert this into mixed fraction. So it is 6, 2 by 3 percentage, that is a profit percentage. And next example, the cost of an item is 50 rupees. It was sold with a profit of 12%. Find the selling price. So whatever information is given, we will make a list for that. So here cost price is given, that is rupees 50. Percentage profit is given, that is 12%, and we need to find the selling price. Okay. So cost price is given, so we can directly use the equation percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100. This is the percentage profit is given, we need to find the rupees profit. So 50, 12% profit divide 50 multiply 100. Now 2, that is in a multiplication, we need to find the profit. So 12, 2 will be in a divide, so 6 rupees profit. 12%, it means 6 rupees for a 50 rupees item. So it is selling price is equal to profit plus CP. 6 plus 50, that is 56. Means to get 6 rupees profit, the item will be selling 56 rupees. Clear? Now next one, an article was sold for rupees 250. Sold for rupees 250 means selling price is given. Profit is given, percentage 5%. Find the cost price. So cost price is not given, it means we cannot use the equation directly. So it is better to use a method of cross multiplication. So we need to start when CP is 100, profit is rupees 5. 5% means for 100 rupees it is 5 rupees. So for 100 rupees, 5 rupees profit, then selling price is for 100 plus 5, that is 105. Now we can write SP is 105 when CP is 100. But our original SP is 250. So what is the CP? Cross multiply. So 250 multiply 100 divide 105. If you solve this 250 divide 105, then you will get 238.12 rupees. That is what cost price. Clear? Now next one. An item was sold for rupees 540. Again, selling price is given. So we can write SP is 540. Loss is 5%. Loss given 5%. We need to find the cost price. So again, cost price is not given, so it is better to use this method. So again, we need to start from 100 when CP is 100, loss is what? 5 rupees. If you got item in 100 rupees and loss of 5 rupees, then what will be your selling price? Selling price will be 100 minus 5, that is 95. Now, selling price is 95 when cost price is 100. When our selling price is 95, when cost price is 100, but our selling price is 540, so what is the cost price? So we can start 540 multiply 100 divide 95. If you divide 54,000 with 95, you will get 568, 8 by 9. That is a cost price. Clear? So this is a normal division. If you divide, you will get the answer in a mixed fraction or in a decimal. So this is our answer. This way we can solve the example related to profit or loss. When cost price is given, use direct equation percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100 or loss equation. Otherwise,